Hello and welcome to another lecture in NVIDIA CUDA Suite development course and GPU development course. So far we had covered a lot of things like uh, uh, introduction to NVIDIA CUDA Suite, then overview of NVIDIA GPU development ecosystem, then CUDA toolkit, comprehensive GPU programming environment, setup and installation of NVIDIA CUDA Suite on AWS, GCP, and Azure. Then we had covered NVIDIA Insight Compute Integrated Development and Developing Tools. Then we had covered NVIDIA Insight System GPU Accelerated Deep Learning Libraries. Then we had covered NVIDIA Utilities. Then NVIDIA SMI System. Then CUDA utility. Now in this lecture, we're talking about the CUDA utilities. Basically, what are the CUDA utilities and like how it works and where you can find all the installed libraries and other things. Okay, so by the end of this lecture, you will familiar with the fundamental aspects of CUDA utilities, facilitating seamless development and debugging of CUDA application. So CUDA utilities are a suite of tools designed to assist in the development and debugging of CUDA application. On your system, some of the essential CUDA tools are pre-installed include CUDA FEV. This tool is crucial for compiling CUDA application. It converts CUDA C++ code into a format that CUDA compiler can process. CUDA GDB. This is a powerful debugger, specifically designed for CUDA application, allowing you to debug your GPU code efficiently. Then CUDA GDB server. This tool works in conjunction with CUDA GDB, enabling remote debugging of CUDA application. Then installation directory structure. So all CUDA components, including libraries and utilities, are organized under the directory, which is users/local CUDA 12.4. I will also show you that the directory and other things. This standardized location simplifies the management of CUDA tools and libraries. Having a consistent directory structure is vital for efficient development troubleshooting. So let's look at the CUDA utility. You can also see here that pre-installed CUDA utilities. This VM is equipped with essential CUDA tools such as CUDA FE+, CUDA GTB, and CUDA GTB server, facilitating seamless development and debugging of CUDA application. Installation directory as this. There is user local bin CUDA 12.4. Accessible binaries. The executable file for all CUDA utilities are conveniently located in the user local CUDA 12.4 bin, streaming the execution of CUDA task and tool usage. Okay, so let's go on our VM. My VM is already running. So let's go on our remote desktop connection. So you can see that the terminal, and here you can see that our like file manager, or you can also say home. Okay, so first go on techlatest.net website. On Azure development guide or any like AWS GCP deployment guide, you can find about the CUDA installation directory and CUDA utilities step. Okay, so this VM also comes with the various CUDA utilities installed out of the box. Below is the CUDA installation directory. Simply you can copy this command and paste in your VM. Okay, you can simply copy this command and open your VM, and here you can see I have already pasted this command in my file manager. So user local CUDA 12.4. Okay, after this, what we have to do next command is user local CUDA 12.4/bin. Okay, so I have already written bin here. So if we enter here, so you can see that the bin2C, then computer probe, sanitizer, CUDA FE++, CUDA GDB, CUDA GDB server, CU++ filled, CU BJ dump, fed binary, and CU and CUI. So this is all are the libraries which are which is out of the box, like which have installation out of the box, is already installed on this VM. So you have not manually installed, like if you use any other, like if you use NVIDIA, like NVIDIA and other CUDA, so like NVIDIA and CUDA, so you can install like manually all the libraries. But on our VM, you can find all the pre-installed libraries in file manager. So here you can see that bin2C, computer proof, then CUDA GDB server. So here you can see all the libraries are installed on our like VM. So this is the main uh, purpose of this lecture. Like in this lecture, I I'll show you that I'll show you that how where you can find all the things about the libraries and what are the libraries which is pre-installed, which is pre-installed with which is installed with out of the box on our VM. Okay, so uh, uh, development work, if you're talking about development workflow, so you use CUDA FE plus to compile your CUDA application efficiently, ensuring that your code is optimized for GPU execution. If you're talking about debugging, leverage CUDA GDB to step through your GPU code, set breakpoints, and inspect variables, making it easier to identify and fix issues. Remote debugging with CUDA GDB server, you can debug application running on a remote system, which is particularly useful in distributed computing environments. If you're talking about efficiency and productivity, having these tools are pre-installed and organized in a standardized directory enhances your development workflow. It reduces the time spent on configuration and setup. So CUDA utilities are indispensable tools for any developer working with CUDA application. Understanding their installation directory, how to access the binaries, and their practical application will significantly improve your development and debugging efficiency. Thank you for watching this lecture. We hope you find it informative and helpful for CUDA development for development tasks. For more detailed information and advanced users, visit NVIDIA official documentation. And yep, happy coding.